Is cream of wheat good for losing weight? The question of is cream of wheat good for losing weight is one that people ask often. While this food isn't the best option for a meal, it can be an excellent breakfast. It is high in fiber and low in fat. It has a unique combination of health benefits and can be an effective addition to your daily diet. The key to success with a healthy diet is to minimize the amount of fat and sugar you consume. Many carbohydrates have a high glycemic index, which means that they'll spike blood sugar quickly and cause you to spike it and fall it just as quickly. If you're looking for a simple way to add fiber to your diet, cream of wheat is a great choice. Is cream of wheat good for weight loss? This question has been on the minds of many people, but not all experts agree. The answer depends on what you're looking for. You might be looking for a high-fiber cereal to help you lose weight, but a cream of the wheat bar may not be the best choice for you. It's not gluten-free and may contain traces of sugar. However, if you're not allergic to gluten, it's fine to eat cream of wheat. Vitamin B3 and B6 are essential for maintaining normal nerve functions and a healthy brain. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, a woman should eat 600 micrograms of folic acid every day, if she's planning to conceive. While both oatmeal and cream of wheat have health benefits, it is important to remember that neither one is a magical food that will magically make you lose weight. Cysteine supports healthy immunity and may even reduce the risk of diabetes and high blood pressure. As a whole grain, it has a lower glycemic index than refined wheat, making it a good choice for most diets. It is also a good source of fiber and contains 58 pdv of iron. Plus, it's low on the glycemic index, so you'll not get any added glucose or glycogen from it. Is cream of wheat high in carbs? The carb content of regular and instant cream of wheat is equal to 1 cup. In comparison, whole grain products have more natural fiber. However, regular cream of wheat only contains a single gram of fiber, while whole grain cream of wheat has 4 grams. Despite these similarities, cream of wheat may not be a slow carb at all. What's more, the amount of sugar in the cream of wheat depends on its serving size. A serving of cream of wheat has about 11 milligrams of iron. The Institute of Medicine sets dietary reference amounts of iron for men and women. 1 cup of the dry cereal provides about 5% of the daily recommended amount of calcium. It's important to note that both varieties of cream of wheat and cream of rice are 100% ground flour. Cream of wheat and oatmeal have some differences when it comes to their carbohydrate content. Oatmeal is often unenriched, while regular cream of wheat and instant oatmeal are enriched with more nutrients. What happens when you eat cream of wheat? There's a scientific explanation for this food's short shelf life. 1 cup of cooked cream of wheat contains 9.4 milligrams of iron, or 110% of your daily iron requirement for men and 52% for women. Unlike regular oatmeal, which lacks nutrients, instant cream of wheat is enriched with more of the nutrients that the body needs. The nutritional value of instant cream of wheat depends on its type and the brand. If you're trying to lose weight, you'll want to avoid the high sugar content of flavored cream of wheat. If you're a fan of the sweet, cheesy cereal, try adding a bit of vanilla-flavored non-fat yogurt. Is cream of wheat healthy for weight loss? A quick answer is yes. It is a nutritious breakfast cereal that has lower sugar and is rich in slow-digesting carbohydrates. Another important benefit of cream of wheat is its rich vitamin content. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, helps reduce cholesterol levels by promoting energy in cells. Is cream of wheat or oatmeal better for you? Cream of wheat versus oatmeal. Both are made of oats, but one is naturally gluten-free. However, cream of wheat is nearly synonymous with wheat, so there is some question about the nutritional value of the latter. Both cereals contain about 1/4 gram of fiber per serving, which is important for regularity and blood sugar levels. However, neither cereal has a high amount of protein or fat, which means you can increase your protein intake with either of these two. A cup of cooked cream of wheat has about 133 calories, which means it is high in sodium. While the cream of wheat has less beta-glucan fiber, it's a higher source of vitamin B and folate than oatmeal. Is cream of wheat a healthy breakfast choice? If you're looking for a nutritious breakfast option, try choosing a cream of wheat. In contrast, most cream of wheat contains high levels of fiber and whole grains. This breakfast cereal is a healthier choice than processed varieties of oatmeal. Iron is also important in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. Although it's unlikely to lead to anemia, 1 cup of cooked cream of wheat contains 9.4 milligrams of iron, which is nearly a quarter of the recommended daily allowance for men and women aged 19 to 50. Both cereals have similar nutritional values, but some people prefer oatmeal. While they have different textures and flavors, both have plenty of fiber and are high in magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins. Regardless of whether you prefer plain or with toppings, you can find many creative ways to enjoy this breakfast cereal. The good news about the cream of wheat is that it's easy to prepare and versatile, lends itself to all kinds of toppings and contains a wide range of vitamins and minerals. On the other hand, there are some downsides to using cream of wheat for breakfast.